Namaste. Today we'll practice short Yoga Nidra. Let's get your mind and body prepared for this very specific practice. This practice requires you to become relaxed, at the same time being aware about everything within you, around you. So affirm to yourself that during practice you will not fall in sleep and you will listen to the instructions step by step, and you will move your awareness accordingly. Now, to prepare your room for the practice, let the lights be off. There should not be any other sounds in the room. Place your mat at the center of the room. The instruction should come from your head side, so place the device towards your head side, 2 feet away from the crown of your head. The sound of this instruction, the volume, should be maintained in a moderate level. Now make yourself comfortable on the mat. Lie on your back. Adjust body parts, your clothes, so that you are comfortable in this position to lie down for few minutes. Make sure your body stays warm during this practice. Let your legs be apart, feet dropped outside, hands away from the body so your shoulders are relaxed. Shoulders rolled out, palms turned upside, fingers relax. Mentally follow your body alignment so that you're exerting equal amount of weight both sides of your body and hip. With every exhalation, surrender your body weight to the floor. With every exhalation, surrender your body weight to the floor. Gradually you can feel your body parts becoming heavy and you cannot move them at all. Let them stick to the floor. Be aware about the body contacts with the floor. Legs with the floor. The contact points between your hip and the floor. Contact between your back and the floor. Contact between your arms and the floor, back of head and the floor. Contact point between your eyelids. Contact point between your both the lips. Now feel the touch of the breath inside your nostrils. Follow your breath from the tip of your nose till the bottom of your lungs. Follow the entire flow of inhalation and exhalation. Feel a deep state of relaxation within yourself. Now move your awareness to the body parts I am talking about. Try to visualize the body part and mentally try to relax them one by one. Move your awareness to the right side of your body, to the right hand. Visualize and relax your fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, arm, shoulder, entire right hand. Right side of the rib cage, abdomen, right side of the hip, thigh, right knee, calf muscle, ankle, foot, entire right leg. Relax the entire right side of your body. Now move your awareness to the left side of your body, starting from the hand, fingers of your left hand, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, arm, shoulder joint, entire left hand, left side of the rib cage, abdomen, left side of the hip, left thigh, knee joint, calf muscle, ankle joint, foot, entire left leg. Relax entire left side of the body. Now relax both the legs together. Mentally be aware about both the legs. Relax both arms. Relax lower back, mid back, upper back, back of the neck, back of the head, crown of the head, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, your nose, lips, ears, cheeks, chin, throat. Relax your chest and abdomen. Now as your whole body is relaxed, still on the floor, surrender body weight to the floor with every exhalation. Become aware about your breath. Follow your breath from tip of the nose till bottom of your lungs. Feel the touch of the air inside the nostrils. Feel with every inhalation, you're absorbing the life force energy, prana within you. It's flowing all over your body. With every exhalation, you're releasing your worries, tension, stress. Feel a deep state of relaxation within you. Now slowly become aware about your physical body. Be aware about the room, the sounds around you. Be aware about your breath. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly try to move the body parts one by one. Move your toes, fingers, hands. Slowly stretch your both arms above your head. And turn yourself to the left side of your body. Now slowly take a support from the floor. Come in a sitting position. Keeping eyes closed. Join your palms together to rub them, make them warm. Place both palms on your eyes. Absorb the warmth. Now gradually open your eyes and then drop your palms down. Practice of Yoga Nidra is over. Now you take time to be aware about the facts around you. Namaste. Thank you.